Judge has yet to decide whether or not a suspected murderer will be facing the death penalty.
Stephen Chien-Chang is accused in the shooting death of Scott County Sheriff's Deputy Caleb Conley in May of last year. WKYT's Kelsey Soto is joining us now on set with more on today's testimony that took place in a Bourbon County courtroom. Kelsey?
Good afternoon. That hearing in Bourbon County this morning lasted more than 4 hours, including testimony from a few experts. Stephen Chien-Chang's trial has been moved to February in Shelby County, and that's after a request of a change of venue. His defense team argued that the publicity surrounding this case would make it difficult for them to get a fair and impartial trial there. So this was also our first time seeing Chien-Chang in person in several months. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty if he's convicted. His lawyers say it should be off the table, citing previous diagnoses of bipolar disorder and PTSD. However, officials say it's been near impossible to try and track down any records to corroborate that claim. Dr. Scott Bender, a professor of psychology with the University of Virginia, says they are aware that his parents took him to a mental health hospital at a very young age, sometime around 6 or 8 years old.
Which could be helpful in understanding whether or not the defendant was symptomatic of something in and around the time period in question.
Until decisions made, Chien-Chang will stay in the Bourbon County Detention Center, and that's until his defense team notifies the court. Judge Gabhart says they must submit written arguments by December 20th. His next status hearing is slated for February 11th. Bill?